Having trouble hearing people when you are on a video call on WhatsApp? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix no audio issue in video calls on WhatsApp on your PC. So, let's jump right into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Restart the Windows audio service. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt from the search result, select Run as Administrator from the menu, and click on Yes to give permission. Now, in this video, type in Net Stop Audio SRV and hit Enter. After that, type in Net Start Audio SRV and press Enter. Now, check if you can hear any sound. Solution 2. Set Correct Audio Device in WhatsApp. To do this, open WhatsApp on your PC. Then click on the gear icon from the lower left corner of the screen to bring up settings. Next, click on Video and Voice. After that, scroll down to the end and click the box under Speakers. Now, choose the device you are currently using and see if that helped. Solution 3. Choose the proper audio device in Windows. To do this, open up Settings. Then click on System from the left side menu. Next, click on Sound from here. Now, from the Output section, just pick the device you want to hear sound from and check if that fixes the issue. Solution 4. Allow apps to access the headphone. For this one, open up Settings. Then click on System. After that, click on Sound. Now click on the audio device you're using. Then click on Allow from here and check if that did the trick for you. Solution 5. Uninstall corrupted audio driver. To do this, open up Device Manager. Then, click on the little arrow icon next to Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Now, right-click on the audio device and select Uninstall Device. Then click the Uninstall button and the device will be uninstalled. Now, reboot your computer. After your computer starts up, Windows will automatically download and install a new audio driver for your device. Then the issue should be fixed. So guys, that's how you fix no audio during video calls in WhatsApp on your PC. If the video helped you solve the issue, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.